to my channel. You all know in previous video we solved grade 3rd first lesson exercise number 1A. Now this video is continuation of first lesson exercise number 1B, 1C and 1D. So get set go. First one, write the place value of encircled digits. First of all, we have to know what is the place value. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Here they have given one example. Arrange the numeral 2536 according to the place value table. Here they have given one place value table. In that we have to keep these numbers according to their place value. Here at unit place, ones place 6 is there. So we have to put 6 here. And 3 in tens place, 5 in 100 place, 2 in 1000 place. We have to multiply with their place value. Okay, like that only here. First question. Let's start. A. 2150. At ones place 0 is there. At tens place 5. 5 into 10, that is 50. Okay, next 5263. Ones, tens, 100, that is 200. Here 5 in one place. Here 4666. Ones, tens, 100, 600. Here 20. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000. 5 is in 1000 place. Then it is 5000. Here 6 in one place. Again 4 in 1000 place, that is 4000.